Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel. I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video we'll teach you how to fix Reels option is not showing on your Instagram app. So we'll show you the 100% genuine method which will work. First of all, you have to go to your phone settings and then you have to go to apps. Scroll down and then click on Instagram. Click on storage. First of all, clear cache, then clear data. Go back, click on uninstall. Click on OK. Second thing, you have to go to Google Play Store. Click on storage. Click on clear cache. Click on clear data. Click on OK. After doing these two things, now you need a VPN, Indian VPN. So we'll use VPN proxy master, and then you have to click on these three lines which you can see at the top left side. Click on change server. From here you have to select India. Here is India, and here you can see connecting. So here you can see we are successfully connected to this Indian VPN. Now you have to go to Play Store. Now you have to change your Google Play Store account. Click on your previous account profile picture and then click on the account. Here you will see your other accounts. You can select any other account. So we will use this one, fresh account. To check that your VPN is properly working, you have to click on your profile picture. Click on settings, click on general, click on account and device preferences, and here you will see switch to India Play Store. That means our VPN is properly working and now we are in Play Store with Indian VPN. Now you have to go back and you have to search here Instagram. You don't have to install Instagram application, you just have to click on Instagram app icon and then scroll down. Here at the last you will see join the beta program. Click on join, click on join. Now you have to wait. Here you can see joining beta. You have to wait for 2 to 3 minutes, and here you can see Instagram beta is now appeared. You have to click on install. If you don't find Instagram beta here on Google Play Store, we'll give the link in description. You just have to like this video and subscribe our channel. You will get this Instagram beta link also. After installation you have to open. Now you don't have to log in with your old Instagram account. You just have to create a new one. So we'll create a new account with Facebook. Click on yes, finish setup. We'll skip the photo. Click on OK. And here you can see Instagram Reels option is now appeared. Now we click on Instagram Reels. And here you can see Instagram Reels option is now working fine. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.